Not too many places getting rain today, but there was some heavy rain in Wellesley County. We'll show you in a second. But I think the next couple of days we're looking for even less. Friday and Saturday, probably not much to go around. Maybe a little tiny shower or two, but mostly you can count on dry weather nearly everywhere. And that means more sunshine and hotter afternoons. So we've already seen temperatures much hotter in some areas than yesterday, and that trend should continue at least through Saturday. By either Sunday or maybe Monday, depending on the timing and the speed of a weak disturbance coming in, we could crank up the shower chances a little bit and maybe a few thunderstorms again as well. So probably look towards Sunday afternoon or Monday for maybe a little more widespread rain, not just one or two spots getting rain. You can see radar over the last 2 hours here, and we have some showers and storms that were in Wellesley County. Some pretty heavy rain coming down for a while, and that faded away. We zoom in there again, you can see this storm flared up around about 2 o'clock or so. Had a good bit of rain with it. Also may have had maybe a little weak funnel cloud, or at least kind of a dust devil type little weak tornado with it. Check out some video we have for you, and this comes from a Channel 5 viewer, and you see when we zoom in, there's the storm. See a little maybe patch of something there, possible shaky video, possible there might be it's like trying to find Bigfoot. Possible there might be a little like a dust devil or a little gustnado type thing there, we call it, because you don't see a lowering of the clouds above it like an actual funnel coming down. So really not a true tornado, I don't think, but if there was anything there, maybe just a little swirl of wind, sort of like a dust devil. So something to see out there. Maybe if you saw something similar, feel free to send us a picture here or a video up. This was around Lyford area. So again, that storm, pretty intense for a while with the rain coming down, but it moved on fairly quickly. It was a good bit of water there. We'll have to show you rainfall totals probably next hour. But look at these temperatures. Back up to the dreaded 100 in McAllen and 101 in Rio Grande City. Low 90s closer to the coast. And I think we'll see similar temperatures tomorrow with 90s in many places, but maybe 100 from about McAllen westward in the afternoon. You can see a couple showers got going this morning, and the only bigger storm was around Raymondville and Lyford this afternoon, but most every place in the valley has been fairly dry today and a little hotter. You look elsewhere, and there's not much going on just to our north. That little weak disturbance that was bringing us the rain has mostly moved inland farther into Mexico. There is another weak disturbance out here in the eastern Gulf. This one, depending on the timing, should get here either Sunday or Monday and should help lift up the air again with some scattered showers. You can kind of see how there's showers kind of clustered around it right now. So as that disturbance gets here, that's our next somewhat decent chance for rain. Futuretrack does show dry weather tonight. I think we'll see partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow looks like a day when we probably won't see much of anything. I think we're mainly dry. I mean, still can't rule out maybe a little shower, but you see how the sea breeze on Futuretrack here tries to cause a couple of showers, but I think overall it's going to be very limited chance for rain tomorrow. Even Saturday, the moisture looks a little bit higher in the atmosphere, but the lid on the atmosphere probably going to keep much of it from building up into any showers. So maybe a spotty shower or two, but rain chance is only about 10%. And by Sunday, this model runs out before we get to the afternoon, but at least partly sunny to start today and maybe a shower or storm late in the day. So less than 10% chance for rain tomorrow, 10% on Saturday. 30 might be pushing a bit for Sunday. Depends on how quickly that disturbance gets here. Either Sunday or Monday could be the 30% day where some scattered showers or a storm pop up. Maybe some heavy downpours in spots those days, kind of like we saw, with a heavy burst of a shower around Raymondville today in a storm. But tomorrow should be a fairly quiet day in your first 1570 forecast. Highs upper 90s. Remember though, from about McAllen westward into Starr County, probably hitting 100 or slightly higher. And the same thing on Saturday too. It looks like kind of a hot day, maybe a brief shower. Sunday and Monday could be a bit better chance, about a 30% chance of a shower or storm popping up. That could drop temperatures a little bit, maybe more so on Monday if we get some extra clouds, either Sunday or Monday, and then back to mainly dry weather with spotty showers and hot temperatures later next week. We'll keep an eye on rain chances in your first 1-5 forecast. Stay tuned.